weaving through the streets of Silverdale is a hidden section of the city. A swirling path that takes a step away from the busy streets and instead lets you experience all Washington has to offer. Clear Creek is a 7-mile beginner hike that crosses through the heart of Silverdale. Explore Silverdale's natural wetlands, evergreen forests, and rocky beaches. Catch glimpses of the diverse flora and fauna that populate Silverdale's vibrant landscape. Embark along the rolling hills on your bike or with man's best friend. Whatever your adventuring style, Clear Creek Trail has something for everyone. Visit today.